Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to earn boosters on Marvel Snap application or game. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open your game. Of course, if you have it on your phone, that's great. If you don't, all you need to do first of all is just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an iPhone, or sorry, an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Of course, if you want to play the game on a PC like me, all you need to do, just go and check one of our videos in this channel. It will show you how you can actually do that. So of course, let's say as an example, you already have it now on your phone. All you need to do, just go and open the application and then log in into your account. But if it's your first time and you don't have an account, all you need to do, just go and sign in to your account. You can even sign in with your Gmail if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So let me just go here and open my Snap Marvel game, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps correctly. So as you can see, that will actually be our home or our main screen on the application or the game. So of course, Marvel Snap, first of all, is a collectible card game, but unlike other ones, it's in its gender, of course, which is card games, there are no packs to buy. So it's not like pay to win. Okay, so cards are not released sets or expansions, but released periodically, one at a time, of course. So the second dinner or the developing team wanted to emphasize the experience of slowly collecting cards and experimenting with the new ones you obtain. So if you want, as we said, so of course, if you want to earn boosters, the only actual way is to play some games. So whenever you play games, you will earn boosters and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.